Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful program in Marine Technical Training Academy. Okay, starting in January 6th, we are going to start the program of engines and transmissions. In that program, we are going to study in the first course diesel engines. We are going to spend 2 months in a diesel course. After that, 1 month in gasoline engines, and after that, 1 month in marine transmission, inboard and outboard. And we are going to cover all the topics related with those courses. In the course of diesel, we are going to disassemble an engine completely. We are going to repair the engine completely. And at the end of the course, at the end of the diesel class, we are going to start the engine again. This is a wonderful program. We are going to study all the codes related with the issues with the diesel engines, and we are going to try to understand the process to solve those codes without the scanner. In other words, this class is not specific for some specific manufacturer. It's a diesel class, exactly the same with gasoline. We are going to prepare our students to understand inboard engines, outboard engines, to fix the engines, to install the engines, and troubleshoot the engines. In both courses. In the course of gasoline also, we are going to sabotage some engines, and the students have 5 minutes to find 5 errors, 5 issues related with the engine. And at the end, if the student find those 5 codes, this is the final exam of the course. This is a wonderful, wonderful class. In the class of transmission, we are going to disassemble completely inboard transmission and outboard transmission lower unit. We are going to practice a lot in those wonderful classes. Okay, my friend, this is the moment to enroll. Enter in my website mttedu.org, select marine programs. In the button of marine programs, you have the program. This is the program engine and transmissions. Right now you have the option, the virtual mode or the blended mode. If you live here in Miami-Dade, Broward, West Palm Beach, I recommend enroll in the blended mode, because in the blended mode you have the option to assist to the laboratories every day from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Monday to Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, the course of diesel is 2 months, the course of gasoline 1 month, and the course of transmission other month. In total, 4 months for that engines and transmission program. I hope you enjoy this program. Enroll right now, because there are not too much seats available, and the prices change in January. Those prices are until December 20. Welcome to the Marine Engines and Transmission program starting in January 2025.